Welcome to Loose Laces. I'm Jordan and I'm one of Loose Laces cleaners. Today, we are cleaning these navy blue leather shoes. These shoes have been pretty well worn and it is showing on the leather. What we will do is give a deep cleanse, add new heels and sole, renovate the leather in color, and obviously polish them up. Let's get started. Here we are using a trick that will remove the crease in the leather. It doesn't always get rid of the crease 100%, but it sure does make it look a lot smoother. Here we are giving it a deep cleanse. This is just to freshen the shoes up and make them fresh. Now we renovate the color. This part is quite the process, but we use oil and cream to hydrate the leather, navy polish to make the color pop, and my favorite, the Falmaco neutral polish, which adds a really nice shine to the shoes. So that was the entire process of making these tired shoes look fresh again. These have been sent back to the owner and she sent us a message saying about how much she loves them, which is just great to hear. During the filming of this video, we didn't have any soles in, but now we do, so here is a snap of how that looks. Fresh. If you want to use any of our services, such as our cleaning, sourcing, or maybe you need some shoe care, or maybe you just want to read the latest within the shoe industry, all you have to do is head to www.looselaces.co.uk and have a browse. Thank you for watching, and we aim to get more videos like this and other fun videos out to the world. Bye.